Ay,
Hi, hello.
Malodi, tara.
Thank you for
Nandito
inviting
na ulit
me.
yung request
Okay,
nyo.
let's enjoy this song.
Sige.
Okay. Enjoy with us now, viewers and likers of our music.
Think I'll go out to Alberta, where there's good and the food.
I got
some friends that I could go
to
working for.
Still, I wish you change your mind if I asked you one more time. But we've been through this 100 times or more. For strong winds that blow slowly, 7 seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. If the good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on, I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way.
If
I get there before the snow flies, and if things are looking good, you could meet me if I send you down the path. But by then it would be winter, not too much for you to do, and those winds sure can blow cold way out there. For strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. If the good times are all gone, so I'm bound for moving on, I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way.
pasensya na kayo sa mga mistake ko.
Okay.
English kasi hindi ko maintindihan.
That's fine.
Sige lang, banat.
Bana tayo. Still, I wish you change your mind if I asked you one more time. But we've been through that 100 times or more. For strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. If the good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on, I long for you if I'm ever back this way. I look for you if I'm ever past this way. Thank you for inviting me.